Well, I thought some of you might like to see what the marina looks like out here at White Horn Cove at Fort Gibson Lake here in Wagoner. And as you can see, the lake's pretty much frozen over in a lot of the area. There's a little area out there where the water's not quite so frozen, but looks like back up through there it's snow covered and frozen over. So it's a little after 6 on Thursday, February 10th, or yeah, I believe it's the 10th still. And I'm just getting home out here from driving in from Tulsa, and the roads weren't too bad. Getting up today, being really sunny, and I guess with the temperature being around 26, 28, it's melted. There's been a little bit of a melt off from evaporation and all of that. So anyway, this is what Fort Gibson Lake's looking like out here, and just pan out. There's a pretty good shot. So this is a fun place to be in the summertime. Maybe not so fun right now. But you can see there's a lot of boats out here at the marina, and they're just waiting for some warm weather to come along so people can come out here and take their boat out on the lake. This is Rick at Fort Gibson Lake, White Horn Cove in Wagoner, Oklahoma.